everybody, what is up guys? Today I'm going to start a new series in real life, not in Minecraft, not in Terraria, not in any virtual game. I'm going to be doing a real life series called Simple Snacks. The simple snack I'm going to make today is sort of like a lunch, not a snack. I'm going to be making peanut butter jelly sandwiches out of these ingredients. What ingredients we have today is natural Jif creamy peanut butter spread with a 90% peanuts. And we have a red raspberry Smucker's preserves. And we just have 2 normal pieces of bread. And you need a knife to spread it on, like that. So, the first step in making a peanut butter jelly sandwich is to get your 2 pieces of bread out in front of you, so you know what pieces of bread you're using. And then you could grab, I would recommend putting the jam or jelly different than the peanut butter piece. So what I mean is, like, put this one on this piece of bread, put this one on this piece of bread. So let's get into it. I always do peanut butter first, and I love peanut butter. I like eating plain peanut butter sometimes. And you take out a pretty big chunk of it, like that much, as you can see. You put it on there like that. Then you sort of like slowly or gently but firmly on the bread, and you want it to be even all the way along, and you don't want it to go off the sides like that. And you kind of want to cover the whole bread too. That would just make it better. And if any peanut butter gets on your fingers, don't put it back in the jar, just eat it, because peanut butter is amazing. So, for step 3, take the jam and scoop up. Jam or jelly is harder to scoop up than peanut butter, so you have to do maybe 2 or 3 scoops onto the bread, because it slides off very easily. You do the same stuff with the peanut butter, although don't put it as close to the sides just like I did, because jelly and jam slides off a lot easier than peanut butter. Congratulations, you are finally at step 4. Step 4 is where you actually put the peanut butter and jelly sandwich together. So you just do that. And if you would like, you could cut it like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. You could cut it in little pieces like this. What I usually do is I just cut it like this. You can do the same, or you could do different. And there you go. You have a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Step 5. The final, or the almost final step, is presentation. Presentation is the most important part. Now you can design however you want. And you can take whatever side you want with your peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I'm just using popcorn because I love popcorn. Now, for the final step, you gotta eat it. You won't want a peanut butter and jelly sandwich just to sit there and mold. It's easy peasy and it's simple. Bye!